Hey, what's up everyone? Nick here with FSD Garage. Wanted to introduce to you guys the new PF22.2 foam cannon. This thing's absolutely insane. The original one looked like this, so let's just keep this one here for comparison. Let's get this thing opened up. Cool thing, give you a little thing about MTM's story, kind of interesting. A little bit of grassroots history, I guess. Shows you how to service, filter replacement, all the replaceable parts and all that. Someone's using an air horn. So we actually got the head. Pretty nice looking quality. Cool thing with MTM is you can go from fan to solid spraying, as well as you can rotate this and go horizontal or vertical. Adjust your amount of soap being sucked out of the bottle by this. I always run mine pretty much all the way to the right. The new bottle, see the biggest differences. This one still would stand up, but if you were on a hill, it would certainly tip over, especially if it was empty. This thing, I don't even have to wonder if this is going to tip over. It's not going to. I mean, unless it's hanging off of something, it's, you know, that thing's going to be golden. So I'm pretty stoked to see this. They give you two fittings, M22, if you guys have a pressure washer, sorry for how disgusting these are, I don't ever use them. This would thread right into there, then you can actually attach everything like normal right here. So that's, in case you're running a Ryobi, which I do run Ryobis, but I do connect everything MTM hose all the way out, and that's how I run everything. Got your suction tube, attaches right here to the head unit. It just slides right on there like that. And then the other sweet thing is they give you another orifice, so if you have an electric pressure washer, you're going to more than likely be using this one. They have it listed on the box, the size. Don't quote me until I read this thing here, because I can't 100% remember off the top of my head. Yeah, it's 1.1 millimeter right here, and the 1.25 orifice is already pre-installed. So if you're using a gas pressure washer, the way they've given it to you is going to be golden. Screws right into there, flathead takes it out, put in your new one if you have an electric pressure washer. Basically that's how that works. Other than that, pretty straight up. You're gonna thread everything on like this. Cool thing with MTM is they love to wrap everything with Teflon for you, so I mean, as long as you got a wrench, you're golden. And since we are using MTM guns, we do not need this piece, so it just goes back into the box. And then if I remember correctly, this is like a 14 threaded in there. Be careful and cautious when threading it in there, so get it in there tight, go test it. If you got a little bit of a leak, grab your wrench and just tighten it till it doesn't leak anymore, but don't go crazy right away. You don't want to crack nothing. I mean, it's pretty standard with tightening anything, so snug it first. Teflon's what's sealing everything, so probably going to be golden. Odds are you probably won't really need to retighten it, but there's the new cannon. New box is actually really nice too. I should have actually complimented them on that. And here is the comparison. I mean, they are a lot shorter, right? I don't know, I like it, guys. I'm stoked on it. Great job, MTM. But I've always loved you guys from the beginning, because, well, actually, we'll just show you the cannon too, because I got them all. I don't have the featherweight, because I did at one point, but we gave that away in a raffle at one point. So, first gen, then I think it was the PF22 that came out, and then the featherweight came out after that. But correct me if I'm wrong, MTM. And then now the golden child, the PF22.2. It's golden. Love it. Great job, guys.